Ever found yourself staring at a TradingView chart, wondering why the price isn't updating as fast as the market moves? You're not alone. Many traders, especially those new to the platform, hit this wall. You see those flashing numbers, but are they truly real-time? And if not, what's the catch, and how much does it cost to get the actual, lightning-fast data you need for serious trading? Let's clear the air. TradingView, in its free version, generally provides delayed data. This delay can range from a few seconds to 15 minutes or even more, depending on the exchange and the asset. While this might be perfectly fine for long-term investors or those simply looking to track general market trends, it's a significant handicap for anyone involved in day trading, scalping, or any strategy where milliseconds matter. Imagine trying to catch a fast-moving train when you're watching a video feed that's a minute behind. You're simply going to miss it. So, if real-time data is crucial for your trading strategy, you'll need to subscribe to it. This is where things get a little more nuanced, as the cost isn't a single flat fee. TradingView offers various paid plans, and on top of those, you often need to purchase specific real-time data packages for the exchanges you're interested in. Think of it this way: your TradingView subscription, Essential, Plus, Premium, Expert, Ultimate, gives you access to advanced charting tools, more indicators, higher alert limits, and an ad-free experience. However, this subscription doesn't automatically include real-time data for all markets. The real-time data is an add-on, a separate subscription, because the exchanges themselves charge a fee for live, unfiltered access to their market feeds. For instance, if you're trading U.S. stocks, you might need to subscribe to the U.S. Stock Markets Bundle, which covers NYSE, NASDAQ, and OTC markets, typically costing around $9.95 per month for non-professional users. If futures are your game, real-time CME Group futures data might cost you about $7 per month. European exchanges, Asian markets, and others will have their own specific data packages and associated fees. These fees are usually quite affordable for individual traders, often ranging from a few dollars to $20 per month per exchange or bundle. It's important to differentiate between non-professional and professional data fees. If you're trading as an individual and not for a financial institution, you'll almost always fall under the non-professional category, which has significantly lower costs. TradingView also mentions that some data, where allowed by exchanges, is provided in real time for free, but for major, actively traded markets, you should expect to pay for the live feed. Before you commit, it's a good idea to identify exactly which markets and exchanges you'll be actively trading. Then, you can visit TradingView's market data section on their website to see the precise costs for the real-time feeds you require. Remember, even if you have a real-time data subscription with your broker, you might be able to integrate that with your TradingView account, potentially saving you from paying twice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.